If you're in the market for over-the-ear headphones and are weighing the AirPods Max 2 against the Beats Studio Pro, this video is for you. Whether you're buying your first pair or thinking about an upgrade, I'm going to break down the differences so you can make the right call. Starting with build quality, the AirPods Max 2 feel premium, and they should at that price. You get an aluminum outer shell, a mesh headband, and metal ear cup adjusters. They feel solid and substantial in your hands. The Beats Studio Pro, on the other hand, are mostly plastic with a cushioned headband and pleather ear cups. They feel noticeably cheaper, and that pleather material could start peeling over time. On design, both headphones have things I like and things I don't. With the Max 2, I love the larger ear cups. They sit nicely over the ears rather than on them. The mesh headband is comfortable, the ear cup adjustment is smooth, and you can even remove the ear cups if needed. What I don't love, they don't fold, which makes them harder to travel with. The smart case makes it hard to tell if the headphones are in sleep mode, and when you plug in to charge, there's no obvious indicator that charging has actually started. There's also no dedicated power button. You can't fully power them off. The Studio Pro flip this in some ways. They fold down for easy portability, and the indicator lights make it simple to check battery level or confirm they're charging. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack for wider compatibility and a dedicated power button. The trade-offs: the ear cups are smaller and feel tighter. The adjustment mechanism clicks rather than gliding smoothly. You can't remove the ear cups, and if you have long hair, there's a real chance it'll get caught between the ear cup and the headband. I've seen this happen with my kids who both have long hair. Feature-wise, the Max 2 has the edge. It runs Apple's H2 chip, which delivers strong active noise cancellation, along with smart features like live translation, conversation awareness, and adaptive audio. It also auto-detects when you put the headphones on your head and transitions seamlessly between Apple devices. You can pair them with non-Apple devices too, and transparency mode is included. The one catch: battery life is around 20 hours. The Studio Pro uses a custom 40mm driver, delivering great sound and a greater device compatibility. It still pairs easily with Apple devices and includes transparency mode and spatial audio. ANC is present but not as strong as the Max 2. The big win here is battery life. You're getting around 40 hours, which is double the Max 2. Both headphones sound great. Some people feel the Studio Pro has a slight edge, but honestly, I think both sound fantastic. You get solid bass without it becoming overwhelming. For fit, I personally find the Max 2 more comfortable. The ear cups sit better around my ears, the headband distributes weight well, and you don't have to worry about your hair getting caught. The Studio Pro feel tighter on the head and ears, and long-haired users especially should be aware of that hair catch issue. That said, with the weight of the Max 2 and the tighter fit of the Studio Pro, you'll be that much more aware that you're wearing headphones. This is where things get real. The AirPods Max 2 are $549. The Beats Studio Pro are sitting at around $229 on Amazon at the time of this recording. You could buy 2 pairs of Studio Pros for the price of 1 pair of Max 2s. If budget is a concern or you have non-Apple devices, the Beats are the easy answer. However, if budget isn't a factor or you have several Apple devices, the Max 2 all day. One more note if you are already in the Max family. If you have the 2024 USB-C model, I'd sit tight. The Max 2 upgrade isn't worth it in my opinion. But if you're on the original 2020 model, the Max 2 brings real improvements. USB-C, noticeably better ANC, and improved sound quality that make the upgrade worth considering. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment letting me know which pair you ended up going with or which pair you are already rocking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.